we'll guide you through how to create a presentation in Canva. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, come to Canva and go and sign in. And what you can do is go and search for a presentation in this box, or go and click on the presentations option. And what you can then do is go and create a blank presentation. We've got these different options here. Or you can scroll down into templates and you can go and create one from a template, which in my opinion is much easier. So for example here, let me go and choose this business presentation here. Now because I chose a template on the left here, we can go and see the other slides. And then what you can do is choose the slides you want by clicking on the plus button, or if you want all of them, you can click on apply all 10 pages and they'll then be added here. And you can then go and look at them all by flicking through them. It's super simple. And then what you can do is go and start customizing it. So you can go and change what the text says, and we can also go and add further things as well. So let's start on the first page. For example here, to edit it, you just double click. I could change that to YouTube. And then I could go and come up with like a new idea for a whole new YouTube channel concept or something like that. So I could type in my YouTube channel concept just like so. And then what you could do is go and add the date and the link here or something like that. And we could then go onto the next page like so. This photo here, what you could do is go and click on delete, and we could then go and add our own. So I could go and click on uploads on the left here. And what I've now done is gone and uploaded a photo. So I'll just quickly come to elements and type in frame, because it allows you to go and sort of crop a photo essentially. Come on frames, click on see all, and this one here looks quite cool. So I'll click on it and it will add it, and you can choose the position. And now we've added the frame, you can add a photo to the frame. So we'll come and click on uploads, and I'll drag in the image like so, and that's it. So we've now gone and added our own image there. And then what I could do is go and start to edit the text and the colors as well. So click on the color or the shape, and then click on the color in the top, and we could then go and choose a more suitable color for me. I prefer this sort of light blue. And then what we could do is double click here and go and start describing who we are. Or you could even go and change that entire title as well. Then once you're happy with the slide, we can come on to the next one, and you can go and customize this as well. And of course we can come over to the left again and go and take advantage of all these awesome tools that Canva has. So yeah, you can scroll down the elements page. You're going to find all sorts of different things, from photos, videos, tables, audio, charts, loads of different things which are going to help sort of represent what you're trying to sort of portray in a presentation. And then once you add it in, you can then go and customize it. For example, here, you could go and adjust the percentage. You can go and adjust the weight of the line to make it sort of thinner, add labels, and add rounded endpoints as well. Also, if you want to, you can come on to the left and click on draw as well. And then what you can do is draw sort of custom things on. So, maybe for example, you want to go and circle something or draw an arrow, then that's how you can go and do it super simply like so. And if you want to undo anything, then what you can do is go and click on the undo button at the top like so and remove it all. Also, you can come over to the left and click on text, and you can add more text and also go and use these cool combinations as well. And so once you finish building out your presentation or maybe customizing the template, you can then go and present it on Canva by going to the top right, clicking on present, and you can then choose if you want to have the full screen, presenter view, present and record, or autoplay. Or alternatively, you can click on share in the top right and you can share it with people, or come down to the download button, click on download, and you can then go and download it as a PDF or a PPTX, which is a PowerPoint document, and you can then go and download it straight to your computer, just like so. It's that simple, guys. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.